The Arduino sketch titled ClientBot is designed to control a Wi-Fi-enabled tow-motor robotic vehicle using a web interface. It uses ASP32 board with the Wi-Fi.H and Web Server H libraries to establish a local web server that can be accessed over a wireless network. The Wi-Fi credential is SSID and password are hard-coded to connect to ASP32 to a local network named ClientBot. Once connected, the ASP32 start a web server on port 80, allowing remote browser-based control. The robot is driven by two DC motors connected to each bridge to control pins IN1 and IN2 for the left motor and IN3 and IN4 for the right motor. PWM speed control is provided through ENA and INB. The setup motors function initialize all motor pins as output. Multiple movements function are also defined. Move forward, move backward, turn left, and turn right, and stop motor, each using digital right to control the motor direction and analog right to adjust speed. A notable feature is the power on flag, which allows the remote toggling of the robot's active state, preventing it from moving if turned off. The code also includes battery monitoring system using analog pin 32, which reads voltage values to access the battery's level. These readings can be accessed from a browser interface. The web surface the web interface is generated by handle root function, which outputs HTML to provide control buttons like forward, backward, left, right, stop, and power toggle. These buttons send GET requests to various endpoints handled by ESP32, forward, left, and etc. For each request, a respective function is triggered, causing the robot to move accordingly. A battery percentage is also dynamically calculated as shown to the user. This simple HTTP-based UI enables any users on the same network to drive the robot using just a phone or computer browser.